Welcome to the Alpi di Siusi, or Seiser Alm as it's known in German, the largest high-altitude alpine meadow in Europe. Today, we're taking you on a journey through this extraordinary landscape nestled in the heart of the Dolomites. With rolling meadows, snow-capped peaks, and a rich cultural history, Alpi di Siusi is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Let's dive into the beauty, history, and adventure of this magical place, where every turn offers a new and stunning vista. Spanning over 56 square kilometers, around 22 square miles, Alpi di Siusi is a vast plateau that sits at an altitude between 1,680 and 2,350 meters, 5,500 and 7,700 feet respectively. It's a landscape shaped by glaciers, creating a patchwork of lush green fields, dramatic rock formations, and gentle rolling hills. The Dolomites, with peaks like Sassolungo and Sciliar framing the meadow, provide a dramatic backdrop that contrasts beautifully with the peaceful pastures below. Did you know that Alpi di Siusi is home to one of the largest networks of hiking and biking trails in the Dolomites? There are over 450 kilometers, 280 miles of trails, making it a hiker's dream destination. Alpi di Siusi is perfect for hikers of all abilities. Whether you're looking for a gentle stroll or a more challenging trek, there's something for everyone. One of the most popular hikes starts from Compach, the main village on the plateau, and leads up to the Rifugio Bolzano, offering spectacular views of the Sciliar and Sassolungo ranges. It's a moderately challenging hike that takes about 4 hours round trip. For those seeking a more leisurely route, the easy trail from Compach to the Rifugio Molignon is perfect. This 1.5-hour walk takes you through picturesque meadows and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Along the way, you'll pass traditional wooden huts and have the chance to stop at an alpine lodge for a refreshing drink or some delicious South Tyrolean cuisine. Tips for hikers: start early. The meadow gets plenty of sun, so to avoid the heat of the day, it's best to start your hike in the early morning. Dress in layers. Even in summer, temperatures can drop quickly in the mountains, especially in the early morning and late afternoon. Bring a light jacket or fleece for warmth. Footwear and gear. Comfortable hiking shoes are essential, and don't forget sunscreen and a hat. There's little shade on the plateau. Respect local farmers. You'll be hiking through active pasture land, so be respectful of the animals and don't disturb the cattle. Cable cars. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, there are several cable cars that can take you up to the plateau from nearby villages, offering a chance to enjoy the views without breaking a sweat. Safety measures. Here are a few safety tips for visitors. Weather awareness. The weather can change quickly in the mountains, so always check the forecast before heading out and be prepared for rain or storms. Stay on the trails. It's easy to wander off course in such an open landscape, so always stick to the marked paths and avoid shortcuts. Be aware of altitude. At over 1,600 meters, the air can be thinner, especially for those not accustomed to high altitudes. Pace yourself and take breaks as needed. Mountain rescue contact. Always carry a phone with the local mountain rescue number saved, just in case of emergencies. Leave no trace. Help preserve this natural wonder by carrying out everything you bring in, including any litter or waste. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your support means a lot to us. Have a great week.